Did you know? Throughout December, traditionally, American homes are drowned in light illumination. Already tomorrow, December 25th, many will turn off the garlands and lighting. But even today, they don't think about electricity bills. Here the main thing is the holiday atmosphere. The most important thing for many families is to show people that they love Christmas. In almost every district for Christmas, you can find several originally decorated houses that create a real festive mood. The owners of these houses do not mind big electricity bills in December because they find the time and energy to create a holiday for themselves and others. Many of these houses are decorated in a new way for every Christmas and eventually become a kind of local tourist attractions. Among the significant Christmas places is the small town of Dyker Heights in Brooklyn, which by Christmas is transformed into a fairy tale and lights up with thousands of lights. Outside of Christmas, this area is notable for its low crime rate and old houses, many of which are more than 100 years old. But throughout December, a fairy tale will be added to these advantages. Residents spend about $20,000 on decorating houses, and the electricity bill for only one December can be more than $1,000. The area began to be decorated in the early 80s. Then the first unusually decorated house appeared here. This caused such a stir that it turned into a large-scale hobby, and the spirit of rivalry gripped all the neighbors. But being the best on your street is one thing, and becoming the brightest on the planet is quite another. The film Welcome, where the neighbors are not allowed to enter, with Danny DeVito in the title role, was even made about this. According to the plot of the comedy, the hero DeVito sets himself the task of making his house visible from space with the help of Christmas decorations. Inspired by this idea, students from the University of Leicester in the USA decided to calculate how many garlands and light bulbs they need to hang on their house so that it can be seen from the ISS. Having calculated the average power of LED bulbs used in garlands, as well as the level of light pollution, they came to the conclusion that a resident of an average American city, the same hero DeVito, needs to decorate his house, preferably the roof and the area around, with at least 2,683 LED bulbs. But this is an approximate version. If someone decides to actually light up their home, the number of glowing garlands will probably have to be increased. Interesting fact. Did you know that, according to statistics, 18 cities in the USA are called Bethlehem? Bethlehem, Connecticut, usually hosts a 2-week choir festival in December. In Bethlehem in the states of North Carolina, Kentucky, and Georgia, theatrical performance is reconstructing the events in biblical Bethlehem. Bethlehem in South Dakota has long been a city of refuge for religious Hasidic Jews, and the most famous of them is located in Pennsylvania, just 2 hours by car from Manhattan. Every year thousands of tourists come here, because since 1937 this city has been supporting and developing the image of the most Christmas city in America. Have a nice Christmas, decorate your homes, walk and have fun. Write in the comments which house and which city you like best for Christmas. Subscribe to the channel and like it. See you in the next story.